现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for another Hakka song on Icrt. I am Joseph Lin, and here's musician Wen Yingtang, Misha, who comes from Miaoli County and has been inspired by her dad to produce music because of his passion for it. This song is actually like a mysterious journey for her, and it's infused with the atmosphere of early psychedelic folk rock. In fact, a Japanese musician has made a collaboration with her on this one, and it's called Tengai Loi, which means come with me. Tengai Loi 就是跟我来，这就是温隐藏的歌曲哦。这首歌呢，跟一位日本音乐人一起共同制作，叙述一个未知的旅程的一个起航，非常神秘的感觉，也有那种早期民谣的气氛哦，好有味道的歌哦 ，I love it. And that does for today's Hakka Song of the Day. I am Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.